Hi guys, in this video we will be replacing my old keyboard and unbox my new keyboard, and that is the Tecware Phantom Plus. I bought this keyboard for around 2,500 pesos in Lazada, and so far after using it, I can say it's pretty worth buying. Inside the box, it comes with a USB-A to USB-C cord. It's braided one, but it's not coiled. It also comes with a free keycap puller, which you can use for if you want to switch keycaps and your switches, and then it has some extra red switches in case some of your switches need to be replaced. Sounds bad. My honest opinion about the Tecware Phantom Plus is it sounds great, and it actually feels good when you type on it because it feels firm. If in case you're wondering, guys, you can customize this keyboard's RGB through its app, which you can download on Google. From there, you can customize pretty much everything, especially how you want your RGB to look. That's it for my unboxing of the Tecware Phantom Plus. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching.